Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Rayjorman Starlink Mini Mount. A versatile mounting solution designed to keep your Starlink Mini stable across a variety of vehicles. If you're someone who enjoys road trips, RV adventures, or boating, this product promises a way to maintain a strong satellite signal while on the move. The Rayjorman Starlink Mini Mount features a powerful suction cup with a reusable nano adhesive. Designed to create a strong semi-permanent bond on your dashboard or windshield. This is especially useful for bumpy roads or sudden stops, offering a worry-free installation experience without the need for tools. The mount also comes with extra adhesive pads, a silicone anti-slip strip, and a clear guide, making setup both quick and easy. One of the standout features is its 360-degree rotatable ball joint combined with a 180-degree adjustable arm. This allows you to fine-tune the angle of your Starlink Mini for the best possible satellite reception. Once the perfect position is set, the knob locks it securely, ensuring it doesn't shift while driving. Durability is another focus of this product. Constructed from high-quality, weather-resistant materials, it is built to withstand extreme temperatures, rain, and UV exposure. Whether you're traveling in the summer heat or winter cold, this mount promises long-lasting performance, making it a reliable companion for all your adventures. The mount is designed for universal use, compatible with cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and boats. Its lightweight and foldable design make it easy to transport, while the non-slip surface helps maintain stability even on uneven surfaces. The kit is also compact, allowing for easy storage when not in use. Inside the box, you'll receive the Starlink Mini Car Roof Mount Kit, which includes everything needed for installation. It's designed to offer a secure, stable setup for mobile internet, ensuring your Starlink Mini works effectively wherever you go. The mount is engineered for both convenience and performance, allowing one-hand operation and effortless adjustments. Overall, the Rayjorman Starlink Mini Mount aims to combine stability, flexibility, and durability in one package. It's an ideal accessory for those looking to enhance their Starlink Mini experience while traveling or living off-grid. Whether you're on a daily commute or a cross-country road trip, this mount provides a convenient solution to keep your Starlink Mini firmly in place and ready for optimal signal reception. That's our look at the Rayjorman Starlink Mini Mount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product critiques here on Product Critique.